Hey, Leo Drager here. I want to talk about a piece of software called DDR Professional Speedy and Mighty. One of the things that I like about this particular utility is that as soon as you go into it, you can select the media that you want, and you can get all of the high-level information, the model number, the media type, it's removable USB media, the capacity 478 megabytes, the number of cylinders, the number of heads, the number of sectors, the number of bytes per sector, specifically when you format it, the number of sectors per track, the firmware revision ID of the actual USB software, that doesn't always show up, the PMP device ID, the system name that I'm currently on, and then the physical device name and or the serial number. In this case, this device does have a serial number, but this program didn't specifically pull that. However, it was just a basic search. So then you can go ahead and click Next. And you see that there's a FAT32 partition on the drive, and again, it's formatted as FAT32. It's the search mode is basic, which is what we selected from before. It's got the starting sector, the ending sector, and then the total size of the drive. Then you can go through, and it'll take a little bit of time to go ahead and evaluate the hardware or the image file that you're looking at to determine if there's any files on that partition that have been deleted. So we're going to go ahead and let this run and see what it can't find on your system. Okay, now that the drive has finished searching, we can go ahead and look through it. Now you can see that I found all sorts of information. Now I want to point out something in here only because this is my drive and I know exactly how it was set up before. These are files here that it found when I had this drive formatted as NTFS. I have thus far reformatted this drive as FAT32, and it still finds the files on the drive. This proves that when you delete when you delete files or folders, it just deletes the pointer records to the actual files. It does not delete the actual files themselves. So I can pull these different directories here that I've had on the system. You know, here's a good, bad, and opportunity from a class that I did. Now again, I did double click on the file, but it specifically says, hey, if you want to actually get your files back, you need to buy now. And that's fine. At least you get to evaluate the drive for free and go through the directories and see if it has what you need on it. Because why pay for a program if it's not going to find them? So this DDR Professional Recovery, if you are going to try to find files on a file system that has been completed or formatted or something like that, try the DDR Professional Speedy and Mighty system. If you buy it, it'll take you to the website, and I trust you guys can go find the information on how to purchase it. But it's just ddrwindows.com, and the website's very, very helpful. You guys should have no problem there. So as you can see, it pulls lots of information right off the drive. Now, in the world of forensics, we're always about recovering deleted files, or anytime a user tries to cover their tracks, can we get back? What can we recover, right, in terms of our investigation? Well, this is a great professional recovery software to use. My name's Leo Drager, and thanks for watching.